Hey, what's up? I'm Riquel Angela and I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you guys want to know how I created this easy, quick fall makeup, so I just want to say that actually this foundation is starting to grow on me the more and more I use it. It's very lightweight, so that's already one of my favorite parts. The only annoying thing is that I do have to apply a little bit more to my face just because I'm just trying to hide a few of my blemishes. But I think this will be a great foundation to have and wear during this fall and winter season, because usually the colder temperatures typically dry out your skin, and with this being a hydrating foundation, I think it'll be perfect for this fall. And so now I'm just using my powder brush and I'm just going around my face again with a little bit of the Fenty Pro Filt'r setting powder, but I'm just making sure that I'm blending the two setting powders together so that way you can kind of see the two blended. And with this look, I still create the contour look. I just choose not to use concealer on my face. So now on to my eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Vinyl Liquid Liner in the color black, and I'm just applying that right above my natural eyelash line. And I love using eyeliners where I can basically paint on, because I get to create that nice, precise winged look. So once I finish applying my lip liner, I am going in with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. And when I say this lip gloss is intense, it really is. So I like to wipe off a little bit before I even apply it to my lips. And this is in the color Chocolate Crepe. And a little bit really does go a long way, okay? So this is the final look. Everything is completed. This is how I got and created this quick and easy fall makeup tutorial. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. I got so many more videos coming at you, and thank you for watching.